Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, you know what I was thinking? As you're here, remember to like this video, share and subscribe. You know what I was thinking, guys? I haven't heard anything about Ivani. um she's still in detention center as far as I know, but have you guys heard anything on in the media? Everything has gone quiet about Ivani. I guess because when they started, whatever was in the media, I don't think it was good for her immigration status because it was painting a bad picture. But as we all know, the situation with Ivani and the father of her child, Howie, and Ivani decided that she didn't want to. Ivani decided that she didn't want the child to have anything to do with his dad, and she was determined. And a lot of people were advising her as not to allow the child to have anything to do with the dad because the dad did not. They weren't getting along when she was pregnant. So for that first 9 months, she said the guy did not help her. So she doesn't want the child to have anything to do with the dad. But look where all of this lead Ivani now. Her baby is about 4 months now. Her baby about 4 going to 5 months, something like that. And she has been separated from her child for about 2 months, all because of pettiness and because of things that could have been resolved in a more mature way. She's in lockup, and her nice little newborn baby have to be living with other people. That's not nice. That is not nice at all, guys. Because hey, what a situation she find herself in. Sad. Yes, it's me again, guys, and the discussion that we're having is about Ivani. So what I was saying, it would have been good if Ivani had listened to a lot of the advices that were given to her. But then again, she's an adult and she's capable of making her own decision as to what she thinks is best for her and her son. But all of us have to go through our own different life experiences and deal with certain things in a way where we think is best. But it's just one thing when a lot of people keep saying she's young, give her I don't know where that energy is coming from. I honestly don't know, because when a woman is 26 years old, I wouldn't call a 26-year-old woman young. No. When I was 26, I have 3 pitney already. Yeah, I have 3 kids, and I know where my focus were. I'm not saying I was perfect, because I made a lot of mistakes. Growing up and raising my kids. But you live and you learn. But certain drastic mistake that people will make, say for example, keeping your kids away from their father, I don't do that. That wasn't. It doesn't matter what. I've always known, but maybe again it depends on how you were brought up and the type of environment that you were exposed to. If you're exposed to an environment where you've never had a male role model in your life, and you don't see you don't see the importance of having that male role model, then I guess your outlook on life is gonna be totally different. But with me, I try my best. When my kids were younger, I try not to dwell on too much negativity concerning the dad.
come out and have to start over. And you guys just check our page for the updates, because I'm going to put the flyers on our page. We don't want to do that right now because we don't want to put her in a more emotionally state. You understand? King, the $25,000 that RT and Blinger collected, it was given to me. Every single dollar of the $25,000 was given to me. And every money that I received was given to the lawyers. Guys, King D, no, guys, you guys don't have to hush him. He don't know, so I'm explaining it to him. The money was given to me, and that money was used to get 3 attorneys. Eventually, I will tell you guys what the 3 attorneys was for. Some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know, but we had needed to get 3 attorney, and the 3 attorney was not cheap. You're entitled to ask a question, King, and that's why I'm telling them not to rush you or anything. You're entitled to ask, and I'm letting you know that the $25,000 that they collected was given to me, and it was used to pay 3 very expensive. So, no, she's not out yet, Sky. God and time. Disha, if you don't know who I am, you're not gonna know who I am. So I hope somebody block her. Louis fine. See, now me answer some of the question and I get rude and me just not I can deal with that. There is always a light at the tunnel, a green one, a black one not there and a red one. See, if I come and I not say nothing, you cuss me and say this and that. When I come and I explain things to you still cuss me. So you say, I can't please people. And that's why sometimes I don't come and try to justify nothing to you, because you just rude. And some of you want to ask about the money, don't even donate nothing. It's okay to ask questions, but you have to be respectful. Some of you don't even care, and they just want something for post on the blogs or something for talk about. You know how to spoil one night anyway. One thing with me, trust me, I am not gonna let you guys set me off of my part. Trust and believe me. When I do that to my friend, I don't know how to do that to me. Thank you, guys. Oh, what? Ramar. Why do the people them have them war? We just do one best at 3, our almost get beat up.
Wanna play?
Some look at African people them, but why? Watch out.
What?
We just play one best at you with some African, but why we rather them? I don't know if the people them have nothing else in them.
But what are the nuts? So Romar, Bree and that lady have something. I don't know. As Bree see woman, Bree just dig off my screen. You can't. No, man,
come back for next year.
Nuts,